Oops. Let's go, buddy. All right. Good morning, guys. It is a Friday. Happy Friday in March. And Leo and I have come to a trail that we've seen before. And we've been on the outskirts of it, but we've never walked it. So we're going to walk it for a little bit this morning. As soon as the big man's ready. We haven't been here, of course, so lots to sniff. Okay, buddy, come on. Unfortunately, there is, sounds like some gardening equipment coming from both sides, so hopefully we'll be able to work around the gardening equipment to enjoy some nature today. Big man? Ready to go, buddy? Come on. Let's go check it out. So it's just a park and a trail in a neighborhood pretty close to where we live. And we're hoping for something cool today. Huh, buddy? What do you think? Oh, I see some water up ahead. Let's go check it out, buddy. This is a canyon we've been in before, just not to this specific area. There are houses surrounding us on this side. So let's go check it out, buddy. Come on. Oh yeah. Look at that, buddy. Let's go check that out, buddy. Oh, very cool. We got a stream, a little body of water we may or may not be able to cross. I'm not sure. What do you think, big man? Did you bring your water shoes? I don't think he brought his water shoes. But we'll check it out. See what it looks like. Doesn't look like we're gonna cross it today, but that's a pretty cool stream, buddy. Definitely crossable, but I don't think we're going to do it today. What do you think, handsome? Is that cool? That's pretty cool. Okay. We're going to swing back around this way, see if we can catch onto the trail. Let's go, big boy. Good job, buddy. Oh yeah. Let's go see what it looks like over here, pal. There's a bridge up here. Catch. Now looking straight ahead, I see a very steep path. Someone walking up that path, so. Come on, buddy. What's this about, buddy? Come on, pal. Come on, pal. Come on, buddy. Good cross, buddy. Good cross. You okay? go, pal. Should we keep going? Okay, come on. Come on, bud. Leo was taking a little time to smell the flowers. But this looks like a trailhead that we've been on before. No, buddy. No. Come on, pal. Come on, buddy. Come on, bud. Let's go check it out a little bit. It's not very hot today, in the low 60s. We got a little bit of a nice breeze, so definitely not trying weather to take a walk. So just on the other side of us, you can see there's a park. We've been to this park before. Let's go this way, buddy. What do you think, pal? All right. Leo's taking us back towards the park area, so we'll save the trail for another day. It is a beautiful day. So we'll keep it short today. Wanted to check in and say hello to you guys, and we appreciate you watching. And I think we're just going to go to the park and take a slow walk for the rest of the day. So, beautiful day. Ready, pal? We'll say goodbye? Uh-oh. We'll say goodbye, buddy? Pal? He's a man of few words.